Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anne. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys 7 simple steps on how to get rid of acne scars and dark spots on your skin. So I discovered these steps because ever since I was 12 years old, I've been battling with hormonal acne. And with hormonal acne comes dark spots and acne scarring. I've tried everything in the market, you name it, but these steps are the ones that I stick to all the time and they work 100%. I've seen proven results and they've worked effectively on my skin. So before we jump to the video, I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel. It's the red button right here. And also click thumbs up on the video. Let me know in the comments below what skin concern you have. I would love to know so I can help you more in the future. Step number 1, double cleansing. Double cleansing is very important. Double cleansing basically means that you're using 2 different products to cleanse your skin. One product being an oil cleanser or a cream cleanser. Second is a foam cleanser. So double cleansing is very important because throughout the day our skin absorbs dust, it produces oil, also pollution sits on top of the skin. So there's a lot of different dirt, sebum sitting on top of our skin. And the best way to get rid or to melt down all of the debris on the skin is using an oil cleanser or a balm or a cream cleanser first before moving on with a foam cleanser. So normally I use 2 pumps of my favorite oil cleanser and I just basically apply that on my skin using my clean hands, of course. That's very important. So you want to just massage this on the skin. You can even do suction motions like this to really deep clean the pores. So I like doing my facial cleansing after I shower because it just opens up the pores. The steam in the shower acts kind of like a facial steam to soften the pores and to also open up the pores. That way you can clean your pores deeper. So just wet your hands and work on your skin. So this will activate the product even more and it's going to emulsify the oil. Once you're done with this part, you want to wash your face and then we'll move on with the foaming cleanser. So my second step to double cleansing is using a device like this. This is the FOREO Luna 3 and I put my favorite foam wash on this. So this is gonna run for about a minute long and I like working it on my skin like this. This device right here, it cleanses the skin much deeper than traditional face washing. It actually cleans the skin 6 times better than you would with your hands. And what I love about this one is that the other part of the brush, it has like grooves right here and you can use it to massage any of your cream, any of your serums so that it will penetrate deeper on the skin. I have an affiliate link for FOREO down below so you can check out their products. So you may ask me, how often do you have to double cleanse in a day? So personally, I double cleanse twice a day, and that's because no matter where I am, whether I'm outside the house or inside the house, there's pollution all around us. There's dirt, there's debris, there's dust around our surroundings that sit on top of our skin. Also, I personally have an oilier skin complexion, so if I would do double cleansing at night, I would do the same in the morning. Not only does double cleansing remove any dirt, pollution, excess oil on the skin, it also helps the products that you put later on absorb much better because the skin is better cleansed and ready for your skincare. Step number 2 is having a weekly exfoliation routine. This is very important because if you have dark spots and acne scarring, the best way that you can help do for your skin is to help promote your skin turnover, and you also want to get rid of the excess dead skin on top of the skin that causes the skin to look dull and uneven. There are two different kinds of exfoliation products that you can use. First are physical exfoliants. These exfoliants, they do have those scrubbing beads. They have microparticles that do slough off the dead skin from your skin, and they also may come in form of like brushes and stuff like that. So the second product is a chemical exfoliant. Chemical exfoliants, basically, they do have different kinds of acids. They can come in form of enzymes as well. And these acids, they melt away the outer layer of your skin. Therefore, when you use like these acids, they will help resurface any dark spots, hyperpigmentation in the skin. Personally, I lean towards enzymatic kind of exfoliants. So those are the exfoliants that upon touching your skin, they do already eat away the dead skin and also the excess dry skin sitting on your face. So one of my favorite products is called Curel, and this is a Japanese product. So basically what I do is I just apply it on my skin, and what I love about these products is that they are very smart, so they don't over exfoliate your skin. So what they do is that they just eat off the surface of the dead skin, and then they stop once they already ate off the skin sitting on, the excess dead skin. So as you can see, it actually melts the skin away. So you just have to rinse this off. Masking. So masking is also a part of my deep exfoliation weekly routine, and reason being is because I would like to clean my skin from deep within. So after the exfoliation, the mask is really gonna pull out all the excess sebum in the skin. I love using the Henriksen Cold Pore Plunge. This one, it has clay in it, so it's gonna act as a magnet to pull out all the excess oils on the skin. So what causes acne is because the sebum is being trapped in the pore, and that causes the inflammation. So this product right here, you just leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. I also like that this product has some AHA in it. AHA is really good for brightening the skin. It also evens out the skin tone, and it also helps with dark spots. Alright, so I'll just get up close and personal with you guys so you can see how my skin looks after that face mask. Step number 3. Use restorative products in your skincare routine. So when there's dark spots and acne scarring on the skin, you essentially have damage in your skin. So you want to protect it as much as possible from getting further damage. So to do that, you want to use products that help protect your barrier function and help restore your skin back to its original state. You want to use products that have the ingredient called Arginine. Arginine, it is an amino acid that helps restore visible damage in the skin. One product that I love that has Arginine is the Kiwamizu skin lotion. It's a Japanese brand created by Hadalabo, It is basically a product that you will apply on the skin after cleansing. So this product right here will help your serum penetrate better on the skin. So it softens the skin, and also it acts kind of like an Uber for your serum. It helps deliver it much deeper on the skin. Sunscreen is also considered a restorative product. So sunscreen is very important to use on your day-to-day skincare routine, whether you're outside or inside the house. It's important because it's gonna protect your skin from having further damage from the sun. The sun can cause even more dark spots on the skin. It's really important that we protect our skin from further damage and from having more hyperpigmentation caused by the sun. So you have to use at least an SPF of 30. Make sure that it's broad spectrum so that it will protect you from UVA rays, the aging rays. Those rays of the sun cause our skin to have wrinkles. So the UVB rays help produce more melanin in the skin. So even indoors, it's really important to use sunscreen as well, because indoor lighting can cause damage on the skin as well. Our cell phones, our devices, they also have visible light that can cause even more darkening in the skin. Step number 4, use your acids with a caution. So there are 2 basic acids that you can use, alpha hydroxy acid, and the second one is glycolic acid. So these acids, they're really good for the skin because they help even out the skin tone. They fade the marks on the skin. They fade acne scarring and hyperpigmentation. They also prevent hyperpigmentation on the skin. Just be careful with using these products because there are so many products like these in the market right now. They come in either form of toner, lotion, moisturizer, serum. So make sure that in your routine, you're only using at least 1 acid. So you have to use at least 1 acid in your skincare routine. What I mean is, it could be either in a form of toner, serum, or moisturizer. So make sure that you're only using 1 type of acid with 1 type of skincare product. Because if you use your toner, your serum, and your moisturizer having all of them having glycolic acid, that is detrimental to your skin health because you are damaging your barrier function. You are damaging the part of your skin that protects you from external aggressors. I've experienced damaging my barrier function and it wasn't fun because you will experience itching on the skin and it's really hard to bring it back to its normal health. So be careful with using your acids. Vitamin C products are also acidic products that you can use to even your skin tone. Vitamin C is really good. So personally, I do enjoy the Caudalie Vinoperfect serum because this one, it has Viniferine. Viniferine, basically it comes from grapes and it's 6 times more potent than vitamin C. And I like that it's a lot more gentler on the skin. I'm going back with my FOREO Luna 3 to massage the serum into my skin. Glycolic acid is best used at night, so I prefer it during my nighttime skincare routine. The reason why is because glycolic acid is actually not the best product to expose in the sun. Also, once you use glycolic acid, it is definitely essential that you will start an SPF routine in your morning skincare. So I love the Vinoperfect Brightening Glycolic Cream. personally, I love glycolic acid in a cream form because it is even more gentle in the skin. You have to have your skin build tolerance to glycolic acid. That's why I prefer moisturizers with glycolic acid, especially this one. The texture is more balmy and it feels really comfortable on the skin. If you're a new glycolic acid user, you will experience that it tingles on the skin. So usually if it comes in a serum form, it will tingle on the skin. However, because this product is a cream, it is so much more gentle on the face. Step number 5. Always bring down your skincare products down on the neck. So be it serum, toner, moisturizers, sunscreen. That's because the skin on our neck also needs some love, especially if you get on that certain age where you start to get hormonal acne. And usually hormonal acne shows up right here on the chin area, jawline, and sometimes the neck. Step number 6. Know the comedogenic level of your products, especially your oils if you are incorporating oils in your routine. Comedogenic level basically means that the ability of that product to clog the pores. So the higher the comedogenic rating of the product, more likely it will clog the pores. So examples of these oils are coconut oil and palm oil. Oils that have a really low or zero comedogenic level are oils like argan oil and olive oil. Also, be watchful of certain ingredients in your regimen because we don't want to cause even more acne on our skin that would later on give us dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So you definitely want to be careful with the oils that you're using in your regimen. Not only oils, but also the ingredients in the ingredient list of your products, because we don't want to cause any more acne in our skin, because the more acne that will come upon, the more acne scarring that we will deal with. So make sure that there are no ingredients that says ethylhexyl palmitate or palmitic acid, cocoa glyceride, and such. So these ingredients contain really heavy oil that really clog the pores. So you want to avoid those. Step number 7, the last and final step. Make sure that you avoid picking at your skin. I know that it is a habit for some of us. When a pimple pops up, you would like to pick at it, or you want to at least reduce the texture. If you will do so, make sure that you wash your hands really well, clean your face really well. Make sure that your skin is steamed before you do any extraction. That way, there will be less damage on the skin. That's what they do in esthetician's office, is that they would steam the face really well, cleanse it really well before they do any extractions, so that the pore is softened and the debris from the pore will push out really smoothly. But even if you want to pick it, just avoid. That's the end of our video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you would like to shop some of the products that I used in the video, my affiliate links are down below. Also, before you leave my channel, make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell below, get updated when I upload new videos. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!